Here is Akedo, the Ultimate Arcade Warriors Starter Pack. This is legendary. Comes with different figures. Here's the box. This is the back of the box. So if you don't know anything about Akedo, you ready, fight, and split strike is part of the game. But it comes with Cold Spike right here is one character. Then Queen Shiver, Phantomu, and then a training dummy right here. Also comes with a different style battle controller, which has like a joystick type controller to it. But here's the joystick, here's the battle controller, and then when you put it on here, just like that, and you push this button forward, this is when they battle. And so you will need another controller to be able to battle with somebody else. This is not included in the set, but you would put another character on this one right here. Okay, so when you battle and you hit their head, you split strike, and that guy died. So anyway, you can put it back together like so. Here, let's flip that up and then lock it right there. So, okay, so Cold Spike is back. Here is Queen Shiver. She's got like a mace. Here's Queen Shiver. She has like a mace. And then Phantomu. And they all come with different types of abilities or health bars and hit points as well, which is part of the game. But very cool starter pack to get, especially when it comes with this many different figures in the box. So highly recommend. Lots of fun.